So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of video clips right here. So now what you can do right here is add in keyframes to the video clips as well, to give it a bit of motion. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select this video clip right here. And let's say what I want is I want to apply out some motion onto this video clip right here. So this is focused out like on the full screen now. So let's say I want it to be small, and then I want it to gradually become big again. So right around in this section, let's say I want to add something like a keyframe. So to do that, I can go around over here. So while the tools is open, I can go around onto the inspector, and here under transform, you can see these little dots right here, and those are the keyframes. So I'm just going to go around and click on, let's say for example, zoom right here, because I want to add in a keyframe onto zoom right here, and the keyframe is added over there in this section. So this particular section is recorded. So now I'm just going to go around just a bit forward right here, and then I'm going to go around and decrease the amount of zoom right here, and you can see that the keyframe is active by itself, because I made the change to the data and I already had a keyframe applied beforehand. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that just like the default keyframe, right around this section I added in a zoom keyframe, and over here I added in another zoom keyframe. You can see a transition has been applied over here from the first time section right here to the next. You can go around over here, add in a keyframe right over here again, and then you can go around and then zoom it out over here again, and you can see that now it zooms in over here again. You can add in keyframe to all of the elements which has this keyframe, that is the keystone that you see right here. You can go around onto, let's say for example, cropping right here in, let's say for example, over here you can see that there's different keyframes, like in lens correction, as you can see. So you can add in keyframes to all of these. So let me just go around and add in keyframe to this, and once I do this, then all of the keyframes are selected, as you can see right here. So I can go around and let's say I have this zoom keyframe right here. You can go around and work around with the rotation keyframe over here, just like this as well, as you can see. And you can work around with, let's say, yaw keyframe right here, as you can see. And you can see that the movement has been applied accordingly, just like that. And that is how you can add in keyframes inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.